Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share a positive update about the IT industry. Yes, we are going to share few of the positive signals, the green signals that are going to come from the IT industry. So far, if we have seen the industry, there has been a lot of ups and downs that have been going on. We have seen the era of layoffs. We have seen the big giants companies who have been laying off people. But now some of the positive signals are seeing, and we will be looking into those news. We will be looking into those things into the details. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Also, we have a new channel that we have started recently, which will be focusing on Java testing related questions and conceptual explaining. So that is RD Technical Learning. So I will request you to again like, share, and subscribe that channel as well, right? See, the agenda behind starting these YouTube channels is to help each one of you grow and to get and to help you to reach to the next stage, right? Recently we have got an option of join button also from the channels, but we have not enabled it, right? Join button means someone needs to pay you something. So as a subscriber you need to pay the channel so that you can view the content which is of paid. But over here, if you will see in our channel, everything is free of cost. Even the mock interviews, those are absolutely free of cost. Mock interviews are taken for nearly 30 minutes. It involves real-time scenario-based questions, everything, but still we don't charge anything, right? So please do show your support, do subscribe our channels and share in your network. Now, the good news that is coming up from the IT industry is about the campus hiring, right? So recently we have got an update that the startups companies have started approaching the freshers into the IIT colleges, right? So various companies like De Deliveroo is there, Skiify is there, Headout is there. They have approached IIT colleges for hiring freshers. So if you will see last year or even this year, this kind of placement hiring, the campus hiring itself was very low. Even in this year also, there has not been any placement hiring so far. If you will see this particular month, December 23, by now, each of the student, not I will say everyone, but yes, 60 to 70% students are almost placed generally into the IT industries, into the IT companies, right? Like TCS, Wipro, Infosys. But till now, that had not happened. But now we are seeing some of the positive signals. So now the startups have started approaching the IIT colleges now. They will be approaching the other colleges also very soon. That is the hope. So these companies have been approaching the IIT colleges. Apart from that, there are companies such as Goldman Sachs, PNG, Intuit, Cisco, Oracle. They have told that they will be offering the PPOs. PPOs is nothing but pre-placement offers. What is pre-placement offers? That means they will take an analytical test, logical reasoning interview, and then once the student is completing his or her graduation, then they will be offering him the full-time job, right? So let's look into this particular news into detail, right? So IITs, you can see we have got numerous IITs in India, right? And out of that, the two IITs who have recently got the update is IIT Kanpur, IIT BHU, right? They have got the calls from the companies, and the companies would be visiting these colleges for campus hiring, for campus placements, right? So everyone knows that currently the at the global level the hiring is a very slow down, right? No one is getting calls, no one is getting interview calls, no one is getting selected. Very few of the freshers are there who have got selected so far, but still many freshers are out there who are still looking out for jobs, right? So now they have started coming. So companies have started visiting the campuses such as Skiify, Headout, Deliveroo, right? Also visiting the IIT Delhi, IIT Madras campuses is aerospace manufacturing startup Agnikul, right? So this company has visited this particular colleges, right? And the packages that they have started offering is as high as 20 lakh, right? Now don't just don't turn off this video, because it's not only for IIT students. We will be also sharing for the we'll be also sharing the positive updates about the students from the normal tier colleges, right? Then Indus Insights is planning to increase the freshers intake from IITs by 20% compared to the previous year, right? Then there is one more company whose CEO has committed that they will be doing the campus hiring this year, right? So a lot of hiring. Apart from that, Cisco, Oracle, Intuit, PNG are among the companies who will be offering PPOs, right? So pre-placement offers at the IITs, and the highest offer at IIT Guwahati, that stood at 1.1 crore rupees, and the institute observed a 10% increase in the number of recruiters this year, right? So that's a good positive news. Now this is for IIT students, right? Now what about the students who are from normal tier colleges, from normal engineering colleges, right? So for them also it's a good update. Recently, I think 3 to 4 weeks back, we got some update from TCS company. They have started TCS Ninja program, TCS NQT program, on the basis of which they are hiring 45,000 to 50,000 students in a year. So that's a very good update. Yeah, I can understand still Wipro and Infosys have also mentioned that they will not be doing any campus hiring this time, because they will be focusing on putting the people, converting into the billing from their bench section. So what happens is, generally whenever freshers get hired, right? So they are undergoing some sort of training that might be 3 to 6 months, and after that they will be benched until and unless they get some project in which they get built, right? So the companies like Infosys, Wipro are avoiding this kind of transition this year, because they are telling that as and when the update, as and when the market will grow, as and when the projects they will get, they will continue to foreseek ahead in the, they will be proactively doing this hiring. But as of now they will not be doing, because already they have got a lot of people who are on bench, who have been hired in last 1 or 2 years, right? But the good update is TCS has actually started, right? And apart from that, why Infosys and Wipro are not going for campus programs this year, so we'll be creating a separate video on that particular topic also. So stay tuned, it will be uploaded on our new channel very soon, today itself, right? But so far so good. This is a good positive update. And recently, if you will see the mass layoffs, the number of cost cutting, those kind of news have also decreased. Although there are 1 or 2 companies, those are there in the US side, who are doing more of the layoffs, right? In India, now the situation has improved, and if you can see, if a IIT person can get a package of 1.1 crore, right, then even a normal tier college can also expect some good package, right? The other thing would be a question here is, since the beginning, if you will see from 2005, 2006, the campus hiring has started, right? Till now, every year campus hiring was happening. But if you will see this year, there was no campus hiring. If you will see last year, there was no campus hiring, right? But now this campus hiring updates are coming. So these are actually the green signals. These are positive updates for the IT industry, right? So hope to get such kind of updates very soon. And at the same time, if you are looking to give mock interviews, you can share your CV at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com, right? So these interviews will be free of cost. Just mention in the subject line what kind of interviews you are looking for: software testing, core Java, Selenium automation. I can understand many of you might would have sent the CVs. We will be following up on those very soon, but please be ready with a phone call from us very soon, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.